Hello, fellow YouTubers. I had a couple guys at work today asking me about my Arduino and how I programmed it and what programming code I used, all that more or less. I'm not going to go ahead and go into any of that. I'm just going to show you guys a simple way to write just your basic instructions to go ahead and get some LEDs flashing. I explained it to them. They more or less got it. But even then, I'm more or less making this video just as an instructional purpose, just to show you how simple and easy the Arduino is to work with. I have some other more advanced, I guess, programs you could say. Different things I'm doing with solid state relays and other goodies, I guess. But that's something that I'll actually make a few more videos later on, explaining how to set them up to get it to control, turning lights on and off, using different shields on the Arduino. Right now I just got down to the basics. So let's go ahead and get started. So here you have your screen. There's nothing, it's just blank. You're writing the code from scratch. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with the void setup. That's just starting the whole program. And then I'm going to go ahead and tell what pins I'm going to be using. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and do 4 pins. I'll do 2, 4, 7, and 13. So I'll go ahead and it's just pin, and then you have to have a capital M, pin mode, and then parentheses, specify pin 2, and we want it to be an output. So it is going to be all capitals and type output. It'll turn blue. Put another parentheses, and then your little colon slash whatever it is, and then we're going to go ahead and do pin mode again, capital M, parentheses. This one's going to be pin 4. We're also going to have it as an output. I'll do another video that's going to have inputs on it, just as a description. This one's just going to get your feet wet with it. So more or less right here we're just telling Arduino what pins we're going to be using and what they're going to be doing, what their purpose is. So it's not anything complicated. I mean, more or less you could copy the program I'm writing right now and be able to do the same thing I'm doing, and I want to do anything differently. Okay, so here we just established, you got to put that in, that closes that. Here we just established telling Arduino what pins we're going to be using. So down here I can go down one more, and you're going to start your loop, which is your repeating program. So void loop, parentheses, close, start program. This one you got to put, it's digital write. The W is actually going to be capital though. This is just telling it what that pin is going to be doing. So digital write, it'll turn orange, and then you'll put it in parentheses, and then whatever pin it is, so let's say we want pin 2, comma, let's make it high. And what you're specifying, high or low, that's just on or off. High is on, low is off. That has to be capitals, it'll also turn blue. And then hash, and then let's just go ahead and turn them all on, and so you'll be able to see that. So digital write 2 is high, digital write parentheses 4 high, oops, digital write capital W, right, 7 high, and digital write 13 high. And there, you gotta close that up the wrong way. If I can get it right. There you go. That right there is just gonna turn all 4 LEDs on. They're just gonna stay on constantly. That's gonna change the pattern where they're at right now. Right now they're in a flashing, which they do have a delay in them right now. I have another program that's I designed also with this one here. This one right here is going to turn all 4 LEDs on, and they're just going to stay on. So we're going to go ahead and upload it. It's uploading right now, no problems, and all 4 LEDs are on. And that's the video. Thanks for watching, guys.